Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners, Lesson 9, Course 1. I'm your Italian teacher Claudia, and I'm looking forward to starting this new lesson with you today. Today, we're keeping on doing some other verbs. We're gonna do the most important verbs, I verbi importanti in Italian, okay? I know that it might seem a little bit boring when we're talking about verbs, but they are fundamental when speaking in a foreign language, as you already know. So let's start with the verb to be. Essere. Essere. Perfect. To have. Avere. Avere. Great. To go. Andare. We have already seen it. If you remember, andare in bicicletta, and plus we have done its conjugation in lesson 8. To be able to, potere, or can. Potere. Perfect. To talk or speak, parlare. Parlare. Great. To see, vedere. Vedere. Perfect. So let's keep on with the conjugation of these verbs, okay? Let's start with the verbs that end with are. So this table is a little bit a review of the desinences that you need to attach to the verb root. So do you remember them? O, I, a, iamo, ate, ano. For the verbs belonging to the first group. So the group that ends with are. Okay? First example, parlare, to speak or to talk. Parlare is a very regular verb. So, io parlo, tu parli, lui, lei parla, noi parliamo, voi parlate, essi parlano. Okay, so basically what you need to do is to take the verb root, so the part of the verb without are, and you attach the desinences, the endings. Okay, perfect. Then this is a small recap of the desinences for the verbs of the second group. So the verbs that end with ere. Okay? So do you remember the main differences concern he, she, you all, and they? Okay? Let's do some examples. Essere. Essere, the verb to be, as in all languages, is always irregular. So what you have to do is to learn it by heart. You cannot escape from that. So, as usual, please repeat right after me. Io sono. Tu sei. Lui, lei è. Always remember the accent. Because if you don't put the accent, the letter becomes, this word becomes e. E means and in Italian. So that's why the accent is very important. Noi siamo. Voi siete. Essi sono. Okay, great, perfect. Avere. As usual, this one is irregular as well. So first of all, let's start with I. Io ho. Ho. And here it is very important for I, you, he, she, and they to put the H at the beginning. Okay, that is super important. Tu, hai. So you don't really pronounce the H at the beginning. Lui, lei, ha. Noi abbiamo. So there is no H here, but you don't see the difference while talking. But when you see it written, then you see the difference. That's why you always have to remember to put it. The H. Abbiamo. Voi avete, there is no H here as well. And here, the H comes back. Essi hanno. Here as well is super important because if you have anno, if you write anno without the H, that means year. Okay? So always remember the H where it needs to be. Okay, awesome. Then we have potere, to can, to be able to, and this is irregular as well. So, let's see its conjugation. Io posso, tu puoi, lui, lei può, noi possiamo, voi potete, and this is the only regular form. Essi possono. Is it clear? Perfect. Very good. So then we have vedere. Vedere, luckily, is a regular verb that ends with ere. So you take the verb root, ved, and you attach the desinences. So, io vedo, tu vedi, lui, lei vede, noi vediamo, voi vedete, essi vedono. Is it clear? Perfect. Very good. So let's do a small exercise. Here what you have to do is just to translate the conjugation of the verb. So I am in Italian is. So I'm going to read them in English and I'm going to leave you a few seconds to translate them. Of course, as usual, if you need more time, just pause the video and then resume it when you're done. Okay? Let's do it. I am. He speaks. They can. You are. We go. She sees. I have. If you haven't finished this exercise, just pause the video and take your time, okay? Because I'm going to reveal the solutions in a bit. Okay, so let's see the solutions. As I mentioned at the beginning of our lessons together, in Italian we don't use subjects that much, so they're not necessary. If you want to add them in the translation as an exercise, it's really good, but while you're talking, they're not necessary, okay? So, I am, sono. He speaks, parla. They can, possono. You are, sei. We go, andiamo. She sees, vede. I have, ho. Please don't forget the H. Okay? Very good. So let's do another exercise. You have to do the very same thing. You just have to translate the verbs. Okay? I will start reading them in English. As I mentioned before, if you need more time, just pause the video, okay? And complete the exercise. They are. I speak. You can. We are. You'll go. I see. They have. If you haven't finished, just pause the video and take your time because I'm going to reveal the solutions. Okay? So, they are, sono. I speak, parlo. You can, puoi. We are, siamo. You all go, andate. I see, vedo. They have, hanno. Don't forget the H. Okay? So how were this exercise? Did you make, any mistakes? If you did, no problem. Just try this exercise one more time. Okay? With the verbs, it's a matter of practice. The more you practice, the better your knowledge of the verbs will be. Okay? Very good. So before ending our lesson, let's review the new verbs we have done today. So, essere, avere, potere, parlare, vedere. Great. Perfect. Complimenti. Congratulations. You have just finished your new Italian lesson, the 9th one. And I'm very proud of your progress. So I'm looking forward to starting a new lesson with you and have a great day. Grazie. Ciao.